Question is, aqueous copper sulfate is electrolyzed using graphite electrode. Which row identifies the product and observation at each electrode during the electrolysis? Let's explain this question. Okay, as we have here electrolysis cell, okay, and this is our battery. Our battery composed of negative and positive poles, and here we have electrodes. Two electrodes are graphites. Okay, so these graphites are inert electrodes to prevent interfering with the reaction. What do we have here? We have a solution of copper sulfate. This copper sulfate composed of Cu and CO4, which is sulfite. Okay, so as it's aqueous solution, so it's composed of water, and this water we dissolve inside it is copper sulfate. What do we have in aqueous solution of copper sulfate? Copper sulfate Cu positive and SO4 which is negative, and it has also H from water which is positive and OH which is negative. So what do we have here in aqueous solution? We have Cu positive, we have SO4 negative, we have H positive, and we have OH which is negative. Perfect. How many positive do we have? We have two positives. Which are they? Cu and H. How many negative do we have? Two, SO4 and OH. Which one here got discharged first or more able to discharge before the other one? Okay, according to this explanation, we have here two electrodes. One is negative and the other one is positive. The negative one, we call it cathode. And this cathode should attract that because it's a negative charge, okay? So it should attract toward itself the positive ones, which is copper and hydrogen. But according to the cation selectivity in this charge, we know the less reactive element, the less reactive cation or the less reactive positive charge should get discharged or should be discharged before the higher reactive. As we know, the copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So in cathode, we must find what? We must find Cu got discharged around the cathode, okay, the element which got discharged, copper. Why? Because copper here is less reactive than hydrogen, so it should be got discharged first. So in cathode, which one we should choose? We should exclude that one, okay, and we should exclude the last one too. So the the C, B, and D are not correct. What do we have now? We have copper as product, and here also copper as product. Electrode turns pink due to the copper. Let's check the anode. What do we have in anode? We have positive charge, and this positive charge can attract the negative parts. What are the negative parts we have here? In the negative parts, we have OH group and SO4. Which one from these two is able to discharge first? As we know, sulfate and nitrate are not able to discharge at all. So if you saw in your question sulfate and nitrate, you choose the second one without thinking. Why? Sulfate and nitrate, they are not able to get discharge at all. And the discharging of OH group, it will produce oxygen gas as bubbles. Okay, it will produce here oxygen gas. So the correct answer here in anode, we must find oxygen as product and bubbles of gases, but not the C. So the correct answer here is A. Correct answer is A.